this is Gie and welcome to my channel, Gie Cucina. Today is a special day. It's a special day of love. Happy Valentine's Day. And not only to those who are in a romantic and happy relationship, for romantic couples out there, but this is also a special day for family and friends. It's just a celebration of love, of friendship, and admiration and affection to those you love. And even though if you're single or especially at this time you're by yourself, it's still worth celebrating. I believe it's still worth celebrating because you have to love and accept yourself first before you can actually give love to others. So this day is for everyone, and this is what I believe in. And with that, I'm going to share to you 4 quick and easy recipes that you can simply do at home, especially if you want to try to impress someone or prepare for that special dinner for someone you love or your family or friends, or even just for yourself but you don't have much time to cook. Then this video is for you, and I hope you like this. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified with my weekly uploads. And let's get into it. I'm really excited about this, and let's get started. So first is this bacon wrap date. This is sweet, delicious, addictive. It's one of my favorite appetizers. It's really good. And all you need is some Medjool dates and bacon, of course, and goat cheese. I had a goat cheese with honey, and then some pistachio nuts or almonds. I love pistachios, so I'm gonna use pistachios for this one. So get your Medjool dates and slice lengthwise to create an opening on one side. Remove the pit if there's any, and then add your pistachios, nuts, and then stuff it with goat cheese and wrap it with bacon. Use a toothpick to secure it. That's it. It's so simple. And you wanna put it into a baking dish lined with parchment paper, and you just have to do the same thing with the rest of it. So now just set aside the bacon wrap dates. We will bake it later with the other dish. And so just make sure to preheat the oven about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's go into our next dish. And all you need is about a pound of asparagus and trimmed. And line it into your baking dish with parchment paper. Coat it with olive oil. Spray some olive oil and season with salt and pepper, and make sure that everything is well coated. And arrange 2 salmon fillets or your salmon fillets on top of the asparagus, season with salt and pepper. rub it well, and you wanna combine melted butter onto a small bowl with half of a squeezed lemon juice, and just mix it well and just pour it over the salmon. It's so quick and easy, right? And when your oven is ready, just put it in there, both of them. For the baked salmon with asparagus, it takes about 17 to 20 minutes. And for your bacon wrap dates, it's about 20 to 30 minutes. So make sure that you actually check the time for that, and that you don't overcook both of them. And this next recipe is the pasta Italian dish. It's so easy but so good. It's spaghetti aglio e olio. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but aglio, it's silent G, but it means garlic, and olio is oil, so it's olive oil with garlic and dried red chili peppers for some heat. And so first we will cook the pasta or the spaghetti according to package instruction and until al dente. Make sure to save some pasta water, about a cup of pasta water, because we will use that later on to make when we make the sauce. So in a pan, heat up olive oil and about one-third cup of it. Add your thinly sliced garlic, and make sure that you don't overcook the garlic, by the way, just like until it's slightly brown. Red chili pepper, about half a teaspoon of it, and keep stirring. And then just add some salt, about half a teaspoon or more if you want. And then just toss in your cooked pasta. Make sure that you toss it well. And that's how easy this pasta is. Spaghetti aglio e olio. It's so good. that's it for dinner. We have this spaghetti aglio e olio, this garlic with olive oil pasta dish. It's so good. It's really good. And then we have some bacon wrapped dates topped with goat cheese and some pistachio nuts. That one is so addictive. I think you should try this. And of course we have our baked salmon with asparagus. Everything is like so delicious. I'm pretty sure you'll like this. I hope you can try this at home. And that was really a lovely dinner. I paired up with wine, your favorite wine, and that makes it a little romantic for that special dinner. And now let's go for our dessert. I wanted some frozen dessert like homemade ice cream, soft serve ice cream. I use a high-speed blender. I have a Vitamix blender, and then you just want to have some pistachio nuts, about half a cup of it. So make sure that what you want to do first is add it into your high-speed blender, process it until it's chopped into small pieces. Make sure to reserve some of it for your toppings later on. And then you want to add some ice cubes, about 2 cups of ice cubes, and then frozen bananas. I use 2 large frozen bananas, but with this one you would, if you don't like the taste of banana on your ice cream, you might want to just use 1 or not use it at all. It's fine, but I love bananas, so I'm just gonna use bananas in there. And then add some half a cup of almond milk or your favorite milk, and then add a tablespoon of matcha powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Or if you want to make it sweeter, you can add more. And then that's it. Just process it until it turns creamy. And I love soft-serve ice cream, so we ate it right away. Topped with some mint leaves and some strawberries, and it was good. And the rest of it, I just put it into a container and then freeze it, and then ate it in the following. You can end the next day. This dessert is just so good. It has this earthy flavor. If you like pistachio and matcha, this is really a good thing to do, and so simple. And that's it for this video. I hope you like this one. I hope you can make these recipes at home. It's so simple, but it's really good, and I find it really special. This is what I made for a special Valentine's Day dinner. And I hope you like this. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and send me some comments. I wanna hear from you guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye!